Yo, I got this Quincy nigga talking trash about me. Quincy, you serious? Quincy? Nah, I ain't gonna let this happen. This will never happen to the bird. I'll let you know right now. Alright? Let's go. Know what I'm saying? Let's do this. Yo, you from Boston? I put you in a coffin. You will never say you from Boston. You from Quincy. Go back to Quincy. That's your place. You go to your little Quincy high school. That's your place. Stick to your books, cause you're not a crook like me. Stop trying to be like me. Act like me. Talk like me. Walk like me. You a little nigga. Ain't pulling triggers. Change your pampers. Somebody get Anton a tampon. Somebody get Lola a stroller. Cause you two little niggas. Lola, you're like 40 years old and you're coming off. Yo, I'll smack you. You ain't gonna do nothing. Somebody get Lola a stroller. Cause I'ma have to come out of this crew. Now it's time for me to grab the dilly in the shoe. Paralyze you from neck to foot. Yeah, you're done. Now you're done. What you gonna do? I'm gonna push you on the stroller. Like I said, put you in the stroller, Lola. What you wanna do? Got the dilly in the shoe. I say it 100 times. What you wanna do? Now Anton, I'ma go get you some tampons. Because you're leaking from my bullets. Now it's time for me to come off. You done made me come off. I done came off. Yeah. You got your father C-stoop, a coward, driving a taxi. I'll smack him, flat his tires. What's he gonna do? Nothing, cause he's a coward. He's a greenie from Cape Verde. I'll smack him. I don't respect him. Nah, I don't respect him. You know why? Cause I'm a disrespectful dude. I don't respect him. I'll smack him when I see him, and I'll smack you too. What you wanna do? I got the dilly in the shoe. Yeah. You ain't gonna do nothing. Cause you a herb just like your father like son. Two cowards. Look at him. Nothing. Look what he's driving. Nothing. Yeah. Never bought a car a day of his life. He's a coward just like you. You an only child, don't worry. You a lucky little nigga, you lucky. Your mom's give you $100 a day cause you a coward. She don't want you to go rob the stores, you coward. Yeah. She just don't want you to go to jail because your lawyer's gonna be more money, stacks and bail. Nigga, you ain't messing with Bird. I don't ever wanna see you talk trash about me on this YouTube game. You and Lola, like I said, get him a stroller. Get Anton the tampon. What's poppin'? Get Bird the birds. Cause I do it. I came off on you. Now, don't ever make a video again. I never want to see this again. Never. I'm done. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to go to sleep. While you go to sleep, worried about me. Cause when I get off this bracelet, you're gonna be worried about me. You're gonna be worried at that front door. You will never go to school in the morning again without looking down the street left, right, under cars. Cause you're gonna be scared to get put on the stroller like Lola. I'll let you know. I never wanna see a video again.